Hey guys, my name is James and today we're going to show you how to make soda cap container. Let's do this! Hey guys, my name is James again and today we're going to show you how to make a soda cap container. Start by getting this clamp and a soda bottle. So what you're going to do to cut this thing off, yeah, and that it looks like this. So we're going to do it polishing it. Yep, that's how you do it like this. So you have to do it repeatedly. So we're going to do gluing. So take those two and glue it in. You have to be careful. Adult supervision required. Then put the thing on top. You have to do it big. So leave it to dry. So that's how you make a waterproof container, which is waterproof. It's good for a venture. That's how you make one. See you in the next video. Bye YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy watching this video. So, can you subscribe me? Likes or not? So, thank you. Goodbye. There's a click here, James Scribe button.